Hello, I'm Vanessa and I run several jewelry courses in London, and today we're going to make some jewellery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a little clasp that you can use on a necklace or a bracelet. What you need for this project is you need a hammer. Now you could use any ordinary DIY hammer, but I'm using a special jewellery hammer called a planishing hammer. You need some side cutters. You need a pair of round nose pliers. You need a little needle file with a flat side. You need some wire. I'm using 0.8 wire. You also need a steel block. This could be from a jewelry shop, or you could use an anvil from a hardware shop, anything that's steel. Now to start with, you file one end of the wire to make it flat, to get rid of the sharpness. You use the round nose pliers and you make a little loop. You use the very tip of the pliers and you hold the wire to the very end and you make a little loop like that. Okay, there's a little loop. Now we're going to position the wire between the nose of the pliers again, and this time the loop that you've made is facing up, so towards the ceiling, and the wire's positioned in the middle of the pliers. I'm going to use my thumb to press the wire around the nose of the pliers to meet the loop we've already made. So I've ended up with that shape. Now you position what you've already made between the nose of the pliers, and position in the middle again in the same place as the last time, and you press the wire again around the nose of the pliers like that. So we've ended up with that. I'm going to cut this extra length of wire with the side cutters, and I'm going to cut it so that the bottom of the wire is flush with this little loop here, this curve. Now this is a bit sharp. File it, and I'm going to turn this out. Use the round nose pliers to turn out the end to end up with a shape like that. Whatever wire you use, you will find that you have two weak points in the clasp. The two big curves are the weak point, and they could open up very easily. So to strengthen the weak point, this is where you use the hammer. And you put the clasp on the metal block, hold it firmly, and you just want to hammer the curve a little bit, both curves. This has two functions. One, it makes your clasp look a little bit more finished, and two, it strengthens it so that when you thread your necklace or your bracelet into the clasp, there's less chance of it opening up. The way you would use this clasp is, if this is the end of your bracelet, you would thread it in like that. So this side with the circle stays secure, and to open and close the bracelet, you would attach it like that. And that's how you make a little clasp.